Hello there, my name's Caroline Gration. I run the fashion school. We have studios in Brighton, in London, and we teach online. In addition to this, we hold workshops, we have summer camps, and we also have our podcast called Get Down and Get With It, where we put questions asked by children straight to industry professionals so they can get a clear idea of what happens in the fashion world. Our classes are from 6 to 18, but they're age specific. So they start 6 to 9-year-olds and they learn how to sew. We introduce them to fabrics. We start to bring in the concept of sustainability and how important it is. And they make little things for themselves. It's project based. And then we go on to Stylish Tweens, which is for 9 to 12-year-olds. And they have a slightly more sophisticated program. So they learn a little bit about pattern cutting, researching, designing, and they are also within their classes, they are given visual notes on different aspects of the industry. They of course make garments too. And then we move on to teenagers, and teenagers we have in 2 separate paths. So we have teenagers who come along who want to learn more about their own identity. They want to make clothes themselves. They're interested in fashion. They don't think they're going to do it for a career, but they just really enjoy it. So we have classes for them. And then we also have other classes for children who are pretty focused. They think they want to do fashion, or they think they want to go into creative industry. And we teach them using dead stock designer fabric, about research concepts, not just about the world of design and sewing and pattern cutting, but also about other aspects of the industry, because we really think it's important that they understand what's out there. We have trips, we do lots of other things when it's not in lockdown. We have guest speakers, we work with different fabrics. I go around in the fashion school van and turn up at different designers' warehouses, and they really kindly give us fabric they no longer need. We think it's really important that children are treated with respect, and we think that the fashion school does exactly that in taking them seriously when they think they want to be creative and enter the fashion industry. We're not about closing minds, we're quite the opposite. We do not assess. We celebrate every child, their individuality. We also have something called an arts award for children, maybe. Well, it's an award that is you can put on your CV if you want to go to further on into your life. And sometimes it works really well for children who either at their school they don't have the facility to do something like fashion, or maybe you find it tricky at school and you don't think you're going to get some of your exams. Well, this is a really great alternative too. We also do Duke of Edinburgh, so that the children can come and volunteer. They can do a particular project. That's really great for them. And then on top of that, we do different personal projects with personal students. The workshops are for everybody. We're a non-profit making organisation. We've formed a community interest company. We not only work with our children, but we try and reach out to children in maybe they are part of social services, and we also work with councils. Thank you so much, and really hope you enjoy your time at the fashion school.